This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Sir, I think your point about first using the opportunities, are we ready with the existing opportunities? The question which you put is very true. First, we should equip ourselves and be ready with the existing recognition opportunities and become an expert. Then we can always look at global opportunities. So there is another debate which is going on in the past, which I have observed both as a student and being a member for last 10 years. Should company secretary be positioned as a governance professional or a compliance expert? There are few past presidents of ICSA who said that we should even think of renaming our profession as governance professionals. And some say, no, we should stick to our core area, which is compliance. So with your view, it will be very interesting to know what you feel about this debate.
See, I heard this debate, no doubt about it, but please note one thing. Governance is a very wide canvas. It's not a small thing. Compliance is a part of governance. Similarly, when we talk about governance, what as a company secretary we can do in that? Your whistleblower mechanism is also a part of governance. Your financial integrity, compliance with accounting standards, complying with accounting policy is also a governance only.
Correct.
Governance is very huge thing. Say, for example, the what's called as your learning aspects, or you are inculcating among your staff, taking care of your staff, welfare measures of your staff, all this. It is a very big canvas according to me. And at one point of time, no doubt about it. In fact, if I am not wrong, it was Mr. Sachin Pilot who has given this advice of why can't you change the name of your institute to some governance professionals or something like that.
Correct, sir.
These are all our ambitions, aspirations. No doubt they are very good. But according to me, our area is not covering the entire gamut of governance activities. So I'm sorry that I will not be a part of that by to call ourselves as a governance professionals. Number one, that we don't have that kind of bandwidth to the best of my knowledge, number one. Number two, other professions won't agree with you to give you the nomenclature of governance professionals, number one. Number two, till date, we tried our best to get this company secretary as a chartered secretary. This struggle was there for over 25, 30 years. Till date, we couldn't call ourselves except the magazine as chartered secretary because the word chartered, okay, the chartered accountants were tooth and nail fighting for that, if I am not wrong. So we couldn't get that. So governance professional. Second thing is, let me tell you one more thing. Also, by merely changing the nomenclature of the profession, I don't think we can do anything. Exactly. Let me tell you one thing. Again, I will give an anecdote to you, Alok.
Sure, sir.
Sometimes people ask me, is company secretary degree itself is sufficient? Or should I have 1 or 2 degrees more? I always say one thing, I will answer this question in a different way. You have an AK-47 with you, and you have a table knife with you. As far as AK-47 is concerned, you don't know where the trigger is and where the nozzle is. Okay, you can use at the most it as a stick only, nothing beyond that, because you have not been trained in that. Whereas you can use the table knife very well.
Yes.
Which weapon you have to have?
Second, obviously, which we can use.
Yes, number one. Number two, I strongly believe that weapon can never fetch you the victory. It is the person behind the weapon who operates it. He will get the victory. So it is not whether you have 1 degree, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 4 degrees. No. It is depending upon you. Let me tell you with a pride, I can say that I qualified in 1985. In 1988, I joined a closely held group of companies because up to the year 93, Alok, from 85 to 93, I worked in closely held but group of companies. Okay. Every group used to have 25 to 30 companies because I used to get good exposure there, right? I had not joined a listed company up to 93. After 93 only I joined it. So in that group of companies, my office used to be called as company secretary's office.
Okay.
Any paper to go to the chairman pertaining to the legal or secretarial, he used to ask this question: has it been routed through secretary's office? Like a government office. So what I'm trying to say is I could establish myself in that group where in fact, the chairman of the group used to be called as Lalaji. Let me tell you this also. He used to be called as Lalaji. When I joined, I felt, what is this Lalaji business here? So I was to put up a note to him. I put up to him as CMD because he is the chairman and managing director of that particular company. I put up a note to him as CMD. His secretary came running to me. अरे तुमने क्या लिख दिया ये? I said क्यों, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कहते नहीं नहीं नहीं, लालाजी को लालाजी लिखना पड़ता है. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं लालाजी नहीं लिखूंगा, मैं ऐसे ही लिखूंगा, मैं आप जाके उनको दे दो. कहते डांट पड़ेगा, मैं कोई बात नहीं, नौकरी जाएगा, मैं कोई बात नहीं. When he went, that CMD, the secretary went and told him, sir, ये नया कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जो आया है ना, ये आपको CMD लिखा है. मैंने उसको बताया था लालाजी लिखो, उसने लिखा नहीं है. मैंने उसको बोला तो नौकरी से हाथ धोगे. वो कहता कोई बात नहीं, but he has not written that. Believe it or not, that particular thing, he liked it in me. After that, he told, bloody fools, you are all calling me Lalaji. From tomorrow onwards, call me a CMD. He changed this thing, the signboard of his cabin. Earlier, his name used to be there. He put that CMD's office, secretary's office, like that. So it all depends upon you, how you are conducting yourself. Degrees doesn't matter. Those are only visa. For entry point in any organization, you are a rank holder or whatever it is. You may be an average student or you may be a rank holder, doesn't matter. Once you are in the organization, it all depends upon how you are conducting yourself, how you are navigating yourself through the organization issues as well as your professional issues.
Okay, sir. I think the humor which you're bringing in is really amazing, sir.